Unlock the power of organized data in Excel by mastering the simple yet crucial skill of sorting. Let's say you have a messy spreadsheet like this, full of names, ages, or salaries, and you need to make sense of it by putting it in order. Excel's sorting feature is your secret weapon. First, locate the Data tab in your Excel ribbon. This is where all your data manipulation tools live. Click on the Sort button. A dialog box will pop up, giving you powerful options to arrange your data. Now, decide which column you want to sort by. Click the Sort By drop-down and select the column header. Let's say age for this example. Next, you'll choose the order. Do you want to go from smallest to largest, like youngest to oldest, or vice versa? For ascending order, select smallest to largest. Hit OK, and just like that, your data is beautifully organized from the smallest age to the largest. See how much easier it is to read and analyze. But what if you need to sort by something else, like salary, and want to see who earns the most first? Go back to the Sort dialog box, change the Sort By to Salary, and then select largest to smallest in the order section. And there you have it. Your data is now sorted in descending order by salary. This simple skill will dramatically improve your data analysis and make your spreadsheets a joy to work with.